us here are the military base. That's why we're a little skeptical.
Oh, look at these guys trespassing. Hey, you know this is private property, right?
I didn't see a no trespassing sign up there. Yeah, what the fuck?
What are you guys doing?
Ready to rip?
Well, you need to get off the property. It's private property.
Let me do a couple donuts first.
Ah, just kidding. Statler boys!
Hey, whip a shitty. Yeah, whip a shitty, man.
Hey, Jay Smitty all up in you. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, man.
When was the last time you been on a bike?
Last year. But
Oh.
for like a quick spin around on bikes 450.
Okay.
Because I really rode a bike, it's been years.
Have you ridden down the side of railroad tracks and into a gravel pit ever?
No, can't say I had.
Oh, you're in for it.
Ride the brake the whole way down. Come here, pup. It's a fucking dog. Thought it was a mangy old cat at first. trying to get that dog.
What was wrong with it?
I was trying to get it.
For what?
Just see if it would come to me, see if it had a collar on it. I thought it was a mangy cat at first.
I thought it was a black cat, yeah.
You keep looking back for trains?
Yeah.
Me too. I don't know which side of the tracks they go on.
As long as we stay at like an idle, we're pretty quiet.
Yeah. I bet they got snipers up there just watching us.
I already thought about it.
Of us here are the military base. That's why we're a little skeptical.
Down hard. Well, I thought this little triple thing.
Yeah.
I thought the first one was that gap, and then I get over the second one, and it's that gap. So I just kind of like let it go.
Really? You have your GoPro on?
Yeah.
I hope.
Used to be the triple.
So that's kind of how the track used to go?
No, I had it. No, I made it go a little different. But you would come down this, triple this. Here, I'll show you how the track I made went anyway. See that lady walking the floor?
Yeah.
About to go hard over there with that lady that's filming.
Yeah, she waved though.
She waved?
After you went by, she waved. Because I was looking at that too. I was like, oh, here we go. But then she just waved.
So she was being cool.
sir.
Is it blinking? We can get that out of the, well, I don't feel like jumping shit today. This thing's bogging like a fucker again.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, it's because it's all loaded up from riding down those tracks or what?
How should we make the track though? There's a pretty sweet full turn right there we can make.
Well, yeah, well, I'll show you the track because I have those whoops in it.
Yeah.
You about to give her the attack or what?
Yeah, just gonna watch him a little bit.
It's not too bad. He just blew it out right there though, so that might be sketchy. Just try to cut to the inside of it a little bit. If you tip over, it's just sand. It definitely, like, it's kind of intimidating though, that's for sure. Suzuki, just kick it. Look pretty good through there. You gonna do some manscaping?
Can we get back so that we hit the full whoop section instead of jumping in halfway?
You might be go take a right and go up and then go check it out. Oh, look at Rusty's got this sketchy ass fucking tabletop.
Right up there?
No, I'm good. Ooh. What'd you do? Clip that branch? Yep. Ooh. Gotta give credit where credit is due to the man. That was pretty sick. Just laying her in there like we're at Bristol, baby. Oh, you're gonna do it again. Getting a little wheelie action in there.
Hell yeah.
Not bad for not being on a bike.
First timer. That's the first time he's ever worn motocross boots.
Really?
Yeah.
We're done and dusted. Jay Smitty all up in you. How does it feel to be initiated into the Statler boys?
Feels great, man.
Feels great.
Yeah.
Anybody you'd like to thank?
You know, I'd like to thank Zach for this awesome machine here.
Yep. That's it.
Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah, maybe Mike a little bit. Just
No, don't-
just a little tiny bit for the gear and the helmet stuff like that. Just
Okay.
gotta throw it in there.
Got some boots up in there. How about you? Did you win Statler today?
I lost Statler today.
Who won?
Jay Smitty.
Jay Smitty won it.
One's in there too.
Need to rebuild that thing, I know that. That is one ugly individual.
That bike just looks like it belongs at Statler.
That bike, that's a Statler bike.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna tear it down, I think.
Where'd you put my